The honeymoon phase is a common phenomenon in new relationships, characterized by a feeling of being deeply in love and filled with excitement and enthusiasm. During this time, passion and desire often reach their peak. However, once this initial phase comes to an end, many couples find that their sexual desire decreases, and they may encounter intimacy issues in the bedroom. Over time, some couples learn to place less emphasis on their sexual life. It's not uncommon for newlyweds to experience periods of reduced sexual activity. When a married couple stops engaging in sexual intimacy, it can be a sign of underlying problems. One of the most critical factors in addressing the issue of a sexless marriage is open communication. It can be uncomfortable to discuss intimacy problems, but keeping these concerns hidden or unspoken can exacerbate the issue. Both partners need to be willing to talk openly and honestly about their feelings, needs, and desires in the relationship. This can be the first step towards finding common ground and working together to find solutions. Before jumping to conclusions about the reasons behind such situations, it's essential to understand what constitutes a sexless marriage. This video aims to address the concerns shared by couples facing challenges in their sexual relationships, including whether infidelity can occur in the absence of sexual activity. But, first, let's establish a clear definition of a sexless marriage. This term can take on various meanings, primarily revolving around the frequency of sexual activity between partners. However, it's essential to recognize that the significance of the gap between the desires of the individuals involved plays a crucial role. A marriage cannot be labeled as sexless when one partner seeks nightly physical intimacy while the other is content with engaging 2 or 3 times a week. Nevertheless, in cases where one spouse desires daily sexual intimacy and the other is satisfied with just a few instances per year or once a month, at least one partner is likely to perceive a lack of physical intimacy in the marriage. If you and your spouse feel lonely in your sexless marriage, it could spell disaster for your union. When you're falling apart, it's natural to want your partner's attention and care more than usual. Low sex drive or a lack of sexual desire is a problem that affects married people all over the world. Of course, there's no one explanation for a sexless marriage. It's natural to assume that your partner has lost interest in having sexual relations with you because they've either grown distant, cheated, or simply don't find you attractive. In the meantime, we will consider some of these factors on why couples may find themselves in a sexless marriage. A sexless marriage, defined as a relationship in which couples have significantly reduced or non-existent sexual activity, can occur for various reasons. Each couple's situation is unique, and the causes may be a combination of several factors. Here is a list of potential reasons for a sexless marriage. 1. Physical health issues. Physical ailments, chronic illnesses, disabilities, or medical conditions can lead to a decrease in sexual desire or ability to engage in sexual activity. 2. Mental health challenges. Emotional and psychological issues such as depression, anxiety, trauma, or other mental health disorders can affect one or both partners' libido and willingness to engage in sex. 3. Medication side effects. Certain medications, including those prescribed for mental health, can have side effects that reduce sexual desire or performance. 4. Hormonal imbalances. Hormonal changes due to aging, pregnancy, menopause, or other factors can impact sexual desire and function. 5. Stress and anxiety. High levels of stress, financial worries, or job pressures can lead to decreased interest in sex and affect intimacy. 6. Relationship conflicts. Unresolved conflicts, communication issues, or a lack of emotional connection within the relationship can create barriers to sexual intimacy. 7. Past trauma. Individuals who have experienced sexual trauma or abuse in the past may have difficulty engaging in sexual activity, even within a loving relationship. 8. Mismatched libidos. Partners may have differing levels of sexual desire or interest, leading to a lack of sexual activity. 9. Lifestyle and priorities. Busy lifestyles, parenting responsibilities, and external stressor can divert attention away from the sexual aspect of the relationship. 10. Monotony and routine. A stagnant or monotonous sexual routine can lead to boredom and decreased interest in sex. 11. Lack of emotional connection. When emotional intimacy wanes and you find yourself growing apart and you simply do not care for your spouse anymore, it can often translate into a decline in sexual intimacy. 12. Body image issues. Poor body image, bad hygiene, and even low self-esteem can affect one's confidence in the bedroom, making them less inclined to engage in sexual activity. 13. Religious or cultural beliefs. Personal or cultural beliefs about sex and sexuality may lead some couples to abstain from sexual activity. 14. Aging and changing priorities. As couples age, their priorities may shift, and they may no longer place the same emphasis on sexual activity as they did earlier in the relationship. 15. Performance anxiety. Fear of performance-related issues, such as erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation, can create anxiety and deter couples from engaging in sex. 16. Lack of spontaneity. Overly scheduled lives and the absence of spontaneity and foreplay in the relationship can hinder the initiation of sexual encounters. It's important to note that these reasons are not mutually exclusive, and multiple factors may contribute to a sexless marriage. Addressing the underlying causes through open communication, seeking professional help when necessary, and making efforts to reignite intimacy can help couples navigate and potentially resolve these issues. Now that we have talked about the many reasons for the lack of sex in a marriage, in our next video, we will discuss the impact that the lack of sex can have on a marriage. And you don't want to miss that. We here at Motivate My Marriage believe in the union of marriage and want to see marriages thrive in today's society. That is why we are committed to revitalize love and empower bonds. Thanks for watching Motivate My Marriage. Please be sure to like, subscribe and share.